Hello everyone. Today I wanted to discuss something which I've discovered myself. So it's all these DIYs which we already see so much online. So I feel like it's too much of time consuming in this busy world. And when you can find a cheaper option, so why not, right? And so actually I'm just planning to throw a party, and I was looking for a cheaper option and less time consuming. So the age group is around 3 to 5 years old. So I thought of making some craft work, which is a pinwheel, right? So I, as usual, looked online, and let me show you. So I looked up online, like as soon as I type in pinwheel, so I get all the DIYs, how to make a pinwheel. You have to buy the craft paper and then the pin and everything. It's quite hard, and it's, to be honest, if you, start purchasing, it actually comes up to be something like this, which is much more simpler and easy, and it's already being made for you, and it's actually a good artwork for the kids. So it's as simple as that. Oops, I'm holding it upside down. So it's as simple as that. These are the tricks, and I'm just going to show one. So this pack has like 50, and I got like 50 of these in just $9 from Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in the description for you to buy as well. So 50 for just $9, I think it's a pretty good deal and less time consuming. You don't have to run to the market, and it's very simple to make. So I'm just gonna show you the 4-step procedure. 2 examples here. We have different multicolors pinwheels, so we just need 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just 5 things. It's already made. You don't have to go to the market and search for everything here and there in Hobby Lobby or Walmart or anywhere. So it's as simple as that, and kids can easily make it too. How to assemble? So this goes right inside in the center, just like that. Now you see all these tiny holes. You just have to go on and put it right in, all the way. So it's as simple as that. It's a quick art activity for the kids, and I believe the kids might enjoy this artwork. Let's see, it's like this. Yeah, so it's quite quick and easy. So there are so many shortcuts which everyone is trying to find out. So I feel going all the way, doing a DIY, finding all the stuff, it's better to opt for a cheaper option, like this one. And I was surprised that not many people don't know this, but for $9, getting like almost 50 of these, it's actually a good deal. So you just go around and push it inside. So there it goes. So I believe the kids needs to do a craft activity, I believe, to that point. But I have like 3 kids, but when it comes to a party or something, you just want to look for cheaper and quicker options. So you just put this flower inside like this, and there's this tiny thing. It goes right here. Oops. Here. So it's like a locker. It's like a locker system. And right at the back, you see this. You just put the straw in like this. Yeah. So here you go. That's your pinwheel. As simple as that. A good kids activity, and very quickly done. So yeah, that's a DIY hack, and enjoy making pinwheels with your kids at home or at parties. So bye bye for now. Bye bye. Please do subscribe to Learn ABC Islam, and if you do so, you will be doing me a huge favor. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.